We say ato adwoa from Pioto Brebe, the National Sports Authority. Is say Plead this Kumasi Asante Kotoko emra amicably. Now omun negotiate over new demands how they buy. According to them, person which is a Kumasi Asante Kotoko adea omoye no manya de say ya can't so much remu na mudirimika dia common media. Any media no so near solve situation. And yes serema mumra na muni embeka na muni eka ekwamu beda oni nyina ya reach a middle ground na ya moving forward no ene nsema NSFo no e ka chi Kumasi Asante Kotoko but we be say NSFo munim se bibi say wo metimi an negotiate wo ena mu fiti ya mokoye two options e ma akrobi Asante Kotoko. The tennis NSC stadium no mo na mo hweso but Kotoko na ebo ho and Kotoko decide say on more ha ebia stadium no kra no ebetiti apro because a football into a stadium no enye other events and other events no kra how much offense eneba enti NSC for samutia muntie na munche no so pa kwame ban the NSA chairman our Ashanti region ono ene de nsemi to your all Plead on Kumasi Asante Kotoko say almost sell Kotoko for Kotoko emra forward na omonka but who demands now to be real honest about dense Kotoko okay it is going to subjected to changes but as it stands now padi sa 5,000 and sakra na wabe bono we are near sabe percentage no emwa kra NSC director of Kumasi Ashanti region and can't ask him because I want to urge the management of Asante Kotoko as much as possible to ensure the need to do a round table discussion or to discuss the proposal. I saw the reportage in the media and actually did not think it was the best thing to do. Accra Sufuk had completed this agreement several weeks before now, but we never heard anything. Let us open say the same thing Akoma has. I'm a has and so many omo ya anti bibia na Kotoko the identity the co media. Or saying if we had met and never agreed to the proposal and it went out to the media, it would have been a different ball game. But as far as I'm concerned, I sit here, I've never spoken to any member of Asante Kotoko to formally register their displeasure with the proposal. We want to plead with them that our decisions are not that which will cripple them, and so our doors are still open and I'm looking forward to engaging them, he noted. Let us say or saying Kotoko mra na omunsanye round table discussion no mu negotiate we master also mo flexible mo nyabut